So a couple days ago, I took a walk over to the Chelsea portion of New York City with my Fuji Xt2 and my 18 to 55 kit lens. And while I was there, I ran into a place called the Starbucks Reserve Roastery. I didn't even know they had such a thing, nor did I know it needed such a thing. But beyond being over extravagant and over decadent, it was quite an experience to go into a Starbucks to get some coffee and experience something bigger, something more, something fancier. And it was a perfect opportunity to break out the Xt2 and take some shots in low light and play around with my tolerance for how high I can handle the ISO level. These photos you're seeing are all captured anywhere between 3200 to accidentally 12,800. I got it overexcited there. But nonetheless, I found that all the images were acceptable. Were they clean and grain free? Heck no, but we already knew that. But that's not what I appreciated from these photos. I appreciated the fact that I was able to get in there and take these photos with a 2.8 to f4 aperture and feel happy with them and feel that for what I was working with, that I was able to get photos that were pleasing. And I also enjoyed the fact that this was a very nice place. And though I would never go to such a fancy place, I'm glad I know it exists. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.